Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel, and today's video I'm going to share 10 nude lipstick combinations. So I'm not just showing you 10 nude lipsticks. All the lipsticks that I'm showing you in today's video I have paired with some lip liner. So obviously you're going to know like the lip liner and the lipstick combo both. I hope you enjoy this video. I had a lot of fun showing my favorite lipstick combinations. Now bear in mind, not everything is going to look good with this particular eye makeup, because some are like cool toned lipsticks as well. But anyway, I just try to show you guys whatever I like to wear the most. So thank you so much for watching today's video. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I'll see you in the next video, guys. Bye bye. So the first lip liner is, this one is a lip liner from Proarte, and I'm going to use the NYX Soft Matte Liquid Lipstick. This one is NYX Lier. And this is like a pretty nice and nude lipstick. It's like a little bit on the warmer side, and I really do enjoy this lipstick a lot. Now the second combination is Miss Claire lip liner Mocha L12. I have used this lip liner a lot in this video. And the lipstick is NYX Powder Puff Cool Intentions. As the name suggests, this is a little bit of a cooler light brown lipstick. So this is not something that I usually go for, but I do enjoy this lipstick on me a lot. The third one is, I'm using the lip liner Vintage from NYX, and the lipstick is from Colourpop 951. It's a very light lipstick, that's why I'm going for like a darker lip liner on top. This you have seen me use a lot many times. One of my favorite liquid lipsticks, like nude ones. And this is how it looks on me. Now we are going for a Miss Claire lip liner in Romantic Pink L12. And the lipstick is Colorbar Bear. It is such a beautiful color. I think it's showing a little bit more pink than it actually is. Maybe because of the lighting and everything. But it's a beautiful color. It is, I think, good for even like deeper skin tones as well. So next we are going for Wet n Wild lip liner in Plumberry. Again, I use this lip liner a lot. And the NYX Powder Puff lipstick in Squad Golds. This is again a very beautiful pink base nude shade. Really love this on me. And this is how it looks on me. The next combination is, this one is Miss Claire lip liner again in Mocha. And I'm using a Revlon lipstick. The lipstick is a little bit lighter, so I am shading my lips a little bit more with the lip liner. And the shade is Revlon 003. And this is how it looks on me. Again, it's like good for a very dark, smoky eye look. It's not like an everyday nude color. And whenever I do apply this, I use a lip liner with it. So the next lipstick is going to be Whirl from MAC, and again this is the lip liner is Plumberry from Wet n Wild, and the lipstick is MAC Whirl. It's a nice and nude shade. This is like a good everyday nude shade, I would say. I do enjoy this lipstick, very comfortable on the lips as well. And the next one is going to be again Mocha lip liner, and the lipstick is from Gerard. No, this one is not Gerard Cosmetics. This one is yeah, I forgot. This one is Colourpop Chi actually. Yeah, CHI. Again, very light, but I do enjoy this one. This one goes very nice with like a very dark smoky eye. Again, I'm using the same lip liner. This is Mocha, and the lipstick is 1995 from Gerard Cosmetics. It's not very readily available, but this color is one of my absolute favorites, so I had to include this in this video. 1995 from Gerard Cosmetics. If you can get your hand on it, please do. It's a beautiful color. And now this one is one of my favorites. This is Mona Lisa from Nykaa. You can use this without a lip liner also. Let me just first say that. But I've used the Mocha lip liner. But you can use it without a lip liner also. Such a beautiful shade. I always get a lot of compliments when I'm wearing this lipstick. Highly recommend this lipstick. It looks fabulous. And the next one, I think this is the last one. This is a Kiko Holiday Collection lipstick in 04, I think. and I have used again the Proarte lip liner with this. This is like a very like this one is good for fair to medium skin tones. Thank you so much for watching this video, guys.